This Virginia Country Real Estate Incorporated property video is presented by Frank Wingfield. Courthouse convenience and country charm. Located just off RT 17 on Burleigh Road. Pine floors throughout. Panel walls. Ceiling fans in each room. New heat pump installed in 2021. 6-panel wood doors and heavy trim throughout. Eat-in country kitchen. Utility room with water softener. Open front porch. Storage shed with concrete floor. Property to convey as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Wingfield at 804-642-6126.